I will explain how to join as an owner and start making money. GetRentacar.com provides advantageous partnership opportunities for car rental businesses of all scale. You will be provided with clients from the start, and as you continue to provide excellent service, you will get even more clients. To become an owner, simply fill out the registration form on the website and you will be able to start making money in no time. On the GetRentacar.com website's main page, you will see a personal account icon in the upper right corner. Do you see Not a Member yet? Join now. Click Join Now, and a window entitled Join as a Client will open. To register as a car owner, see the bottom of the screen and click Join as Car Owner at the bottom and begin the registration process. This guide will show you how to efficiently manage your GetRentacar.com account by adding a car, selecting a payment option, and making a reservation. In your personal account, click the Add a New Vehicle button. Enter the vehicle's classification as car for automobile, motorcycle for motorcycles or scooters, or microtransport for ATV, e-bikes, or bicycles. Brand and model. Year of production. Vehicle class. Country of registration and license plate number. Passenger and luggage capacity of the vehicle. In description, you can add some additional information about your vehicle and rental conditions, for example about the working hours of your office, extra charges for late delivery and pickup, prices for delivery and pickup in different locations. Options. Select the available options of the vehicle. Customers usually pay attention to this information. A vehicle added with many features can be your competitive advantage. Photo. The photo should be taken with a good resolution camera and should show the vehicle in its entirety with a plain background. No added graphics or Photoshop should be used to edit the photos. There must be only your vehicle in the photo, without any other vehicles, people, animals, contacts, advertisement, and phone numbers. Having wonderful pictures is a key factor in making your platform successful. In order to distribute the uploaded photos, you must own the copyright for them. Conditions. Enter the information about minimum renting days, minimum age of driver, minimum required driving experience. What is the maximum mileage included in the rental offer per day? What is the charge per kilometer for any distance over the daily limit? What is the fee for any additional days of use beyond the initial reservation? For the location and delivery, enter the location of your vehicle where it usually located. For delivery locations and return locations, enter the cost of vehicle delivery to a different location. You can specify the city. In this case, delivery area will include the entire territory marked on the map, and the client will be able to choose a convenient address for him. Please add most popular locations and prices. Prices for rent and subscription. Please specify prices for various renting days intervals. For 1 or 2 days. For 3 to 6 days. For 7 to 13 days. For 14 and above days. Please specify prices for various subscription months intervals. For 1 or 2 months. For 3 to 5 months. For 6 to 12 months days. For 1 year. For 2 years. For 3 years. You must enter the final price for the entire stated period, including all taxes and platform fees. Protection plans. What is the minimum amount of the deposit you would like to make? We remind you that customers usually opt for vehicles with no deposit or a very minimal one. You should provide details on the payment method for the deposit, as well as the conditions for when the deposit will be refunded. In the main insurance policy, please enter the daily cost for additional coverage for the client. Additionally, you may want to consider other insurance policies. To add additional features to your profile, go to the Extras section from the main menu. From the list, choose the extras you want to provide to renters. Extras can be a stroller, unlimited mileage, and a roof rack. Once you have chosen the additional features, you must attach them to the relevant vehicles. Various cars may have different add-ons associated with them. To change your vehicle's extras, click on the Vehicle Edit section link. If you have multiple cars, select the card for the car you want to edit and add the desired extras. Once you have registered, our responsible manager will reach you out for clarify your documents details and proceed with verification. For verification, you will need to provide the necessary documents. For legal entities and entrepreneurs, individuals, and for cars. If the owner's account is verified, customers have greater confidence in them and their vehicles given priority in the listing. Now that you have the information you need, you can start submitting offers to customer inquiries through GetRentacar.com. We want to make sure our partners have the best possible experience when using our service, so we have provided a QR code to help you access our website. Take advantage of this opportunity and start earning today.